what's up guys? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening o kung anong oras ka mang nanonood sa aking video. Welcome or welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So for today, naisipan kong gumawa ng creative makeup look and first time ko itong gagawa ng creative makeup look, so naisipan ko siyang i-film. Bali practice lang to guys. Kasi nga dumating na nga ang aking in-order na face and body palette. Ito ay ang Cheek Girl 12 Colors Body and Face Paint Palette. And dumating na din itong mga glitters. Meron pang design din yan. And syempre meron siyang brush. And gusto ko kasi mag-practice ngayon kasi padating na din yung in-order ko ng mga contact lens. And gagawin ko din yun ng video. Gusto ko mag-practice ngayon ng creative makeup look dahil gusto ko nang mag-film ng mga ganon. Dahil uso din yun ngayon. So, panoodin nyo na lang ako kasi hindi ako magsasalita habang nag-video kasi magpo-focus ako. So, eto yung nakita kong inspo guys. Sana magaya ko yan or sana kahit papano maging katulad ng ganyan and wish me luck.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Yung kasing, eto, masyado siyang oily. So, ang tendency, sumasama yung black niya, saka itong blue, nagsasama sila. And, yung mga brush ko, ang hirap din kontrolan kasi medyo malalaki, wala ko yung maliit. So, ganyan ang kanyang kinalabasan. Pinush ko na lang kahit papano. And, dito nahirapan din ako, lalo na dito sa pilikmata, ang hirap pala gumawa ng peking buhok. Pero kahit papano, okay naman siya. So, ang tawag pala sa ginawa kong makeup look ngayon is pop art makeup look. And sana nagustuhan nyo. Kahit papano na-push ko naman siya, I think okay naman. Para sa mga beginner na katulad ko. And sa pag may makeup naman guys, practice lang ng practice. So, alam ko mag-i-improve pa ako. Leave naman kayo ng suggestion sa baba kung ano pa ang kailangan kong baguhin. And suggest na din kayo kung ano pa ang gusto kong gawin nyo. Gusto kong gawin nyo. Ha? And and suggest na lang din kayo ng mga gusto nyo pang makita sa aking mga susunod pang video.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
So, eto ang kinalabasan niya guys. Eto ang aking first ever creative makeup look. Sana nagustuhan nyo. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para maging updated ka sa aking mga susunod pang video.